time for the big summer blowout. Oh, apologies, I mean frozen holiday surprise. But my friend has a very important announcement, yeah? Go ahead, friend. In order for you to fully experience tonight's presentation, the lighting around Cinderella Castle will be reduced. For your own safety and the safety of others, we ask that you remain in the same location until the lighting returns to normal. Thank you, friends. Now, everyone get cozy with your friends and family. It is almost time for the frozen holiday surprise. I wouldn't have thought you about it, but then it would not be a surprise, yeah?
Shit out of me.
What about here? Definitely not. La 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 la. Knock knock. Oh no, we'll just try that. So many stairs. Why so many stairs? I'm okay. I'm okay. I made it! Here you are. Hi, I'm Olaf and I like warm hugs. Oh, I'm so glad you're here too. It's my favorite time of year when we celebrate the holidays. Oh, but this year, I want to create a special holiday surprise for my friends. And I need a little help. Little siblings! Come on! Flush and slide and Hansel and Flake and Fridge and Flurry. Hugger and Crystal and Squalor and Tat and Zillion. Everybody here! Time to decorate the castle! Why? Because it's that time of year. Look at you go. Decorating people are so expensive. More than crazy. Oh, don't forget the banner. Perfect. Oh, fruitcake.
Hola!
Oh, here come my friends! Everyone, hi!
Hola! What a very good. Oh my!
Ahoy, happy Liz.
Surprise!
Hola! You did this?
With help from my helpful little helpers. Holiday surprise for my friends.
Aww.
I guess it's the thought that counts.
You little siblings, now off to bed. Off you go. No pushing, will you? Good snow. Do you like your surprise?
We love it, but maybe you could use a little more something?
I think I know just the something it needs. May I?
You may. You spell happy holidays.
I don't know. I still think it's missing something.
Oh, yeah.
Now it's time for our holiday surprise.
We proudly present
Jingle bell!
Anna, you brought the Yule bell from Arendelle?
That's right. I mean, some sense, a little.
a little.
Did I say a little? What I meant to say was, thank you for all your help.
You're welcome.
Now we can bring in a season with all of our friends here.
season so special?
All I know is it presents?
Something better than gifts.
Must be sweet. Games?
Not that either.
Oh, what else is there?
Time with those we love. Elsa, being able to share a special moment with family and friends is what makes this season our favorite time of year.
I would travel miles and miles and I would follow any star. I'd go almost any place if it's any place you are. It's when we're together, I'll forever feel at home. And when we're together, we'll be safe and warm. Doesn't matter where we are.
It's my favorite time of Look at all that ice!
Elsa, it's so beautiful.
Now that's a holiday surprise.
May we keep the love of this season in our hearts all year long.
Ahoy, happy lids! I mean, happy holidays.
Warm holiday hugs for everyone.
Thank you, friends and family. I hope you enjoyed the frozen holiday surprise, yeah? Spending the holidays together is so nice, like a sauna.
Yeah, I love
Now go to enjoy the rest of your night.